How are you? Hope you are doing fine over there. My name is Joshua, and I'm a mathematics teacher. I'm pleased to share these interesting and very easy skills of how we can all resolve mathematical problems without any difficulty. Today, I have something interesting for you. It is about reading, writing numbers in words. It has always been a challenge to many people to read and write numbers, mostly whole numbers in words. And really today, I want to ensure you that it is no longer a problem, but you will find it as fun because it becomes very easy. To read and to write a whole number in words, there is no need to read each digit separately, as some of you maybe always say 2020, like this year people always say it is 2020, which is not right. It is not right, because when you say 2020, it means that you are skipping some of the figures, like the zeros, you are not reading them, and you are not even taking value of them. So here are the few easy steps you can use to read and to write a whole number in words. The first one is you must first give each digit its place value. The place value is the position of that digit in that number. For example, the place values, I mean the ones, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, the 10,000s, 100,000s, then million, 10 millions, 100 millions, and others. There are many place values, but so far let us stop at millions place value. So after giving each digit its place value, then it becomes very easy. But again, those place values are also classified or grouped into what we call periods. Periods. And those periods are what we use when we are reading and writing whole numbers in words. Take an example, the first three place values, that is ones, that is tens, then hundreds. Those first three place values from the right side, they lie under the period of what we call units. Then we also have other three, that is thousands, that is 10,000s, then 100,000s. Those lie under another category called the thousands period. Then there is also millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. Those lie under the category of millions period, meaning that the periods there are units, thousands, and millions. In fact, those are very important because it's what we use when we are reading any number or writing it in words. So when you have any given number and you have to write it or to read it, what you have to do is to think of the place value table. The place value table contains those periods I have said. It contains the units, it contains the thousands, it contains the millions. Then you have to remember that those periods are also divided into three. That is the ones, the tens, the hundreds under units. The 1,000, the 10,000, the 100,000 under thousands. Then we have the 1 million, the 10 million, then 100 million under millions. So when you think of that, it means that the number given, you will have to divide it into threes. Read the first three digits, 1, 2, 3. Then you put a comma, you know that that number or those three digits really belong to the units period. Also count other 3 if they are there. 1, 2, 3. The second 3 digits, those lie under the thousands period. If there are others, also they lie under the millions period. So after identifying that, then you get those digits, you fill them in the place value table, starting from the right side, starting from the units period. You fill the digits, starting from the last one, under units, under ones. Fill the digits properly in that place value table. Then after filling the digits in the place value table, now you can start reading separately. Read the numbers in each period separately. The numbers which are in millions, read that number, then put that period, put that place value of million. But there, the place value itself is millions, but when we are reading, we don't always put that S. We say million. Then from there, go to another number under thousands place value or thousands period, read it separately, then after reading it, put the period. But remember that period we don't put S. So read that number, then after say 1,000. Then the numbers or the digits under units, also read them, but there we don't put the word units. We don't put it there. But for million, for thousands, those periods, we write them. Here are some of the examples we can follow. We apply the steps I have talked about. For example, we have this number. Let us do it together to read it. Then after we write it in words. We have 7, 6, 3, 4, 5, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 8, 5. Yes, that is the number. So there we have to first see the first 3 digits. First 3 digits from the right side. First 3 digits from the right side. Then there we know that those first 3 digits, they lie under units. That means under units we have ones, we shall fill 8. Under tens, we fill 5. Then under hundreds, we fill 4. That is the unit period. Then we go to the thousands period. There we fill 3 under 1,000. Then we fill 6 under 10,000. Then we fill 7 under 100,000. There you see we don't have any number under millions. So there is no need to read that period or to read that place value. After filling in that number in the place value table, then we can now read separately according to the periods. Since we don't have the millions, now we can start with the thousands period. The digits which are under thousands period, we have 7, 6, 3. 7, 6, 3. I think we can read that number. The number is 763. But there we have to remember it is under thousands period. So we have to put it there. Then we say it is 763,000. After reading that, then we go to the next period of units. The digits we have there are 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8. 458. 458. As I have told you before that under units, we don't need to write that word. That means after reading separately, you will find that the whole number 763,458 as 763,000. 63,458. Wow, it becomes so very easy when we apply the place value table. I think we are together there. We can have one more. We can have one more. We can try this. We have 3, 4, 0, 0, 6, 8. 3, 4, 0, 0, 6, 8. The place value table. Starting from the right side, on the right side we have 5, we have next is 6, then next is 0. That means those first 3 digits, the first 3 digits are under the period of units. Then after we go on filling, we put 0 under 1,000, we put 4 under 10,000, then we put 3 under 100,000. Still, we don't have any other number under millions. There, as we have said, we start reading from the biggest place value. That means we have to first consider the number that is under the period of thousands. And that number is made up of 3, 4, and 0. 3, 4, and 0. We can read that number first before putting the period, and that number can be 340. 340. But remember to put the period, and it becomes 340,000. After that, we go to the period of units, where we have 0, 6, 5. 0, 6, 5. 0, 6, 5. If any number is starting with 0, mostly that 0 is not always read. So for example, 065 can be read as 65. So under units there, we say 65. Remember, we don't put the word unit. So after reading each separately, now it means that 340,065 can be read and written as 340,065. Wow, this is becoming more interesting and more easy for us. Can we have one more? The next one, we have this number. We have the number made up of these digits: 1, 4, 9, 3, 2, 7, 0. 1, 4, 9, 3, 2, 7, 0. Wow, this number seems to be a bit big, but I hope with this method of ours of place value table, it will become so easy for us. As we have said, the place value table, you have to draw it, then put the units, put the thousands, put the millions, then put the ones, the tens, the hundreds, the 1,000, the 10,000, the 100,000, the 1 million, 10 millions, then 100 millions. Then after start filling that given number in the place value table. Remember, we start from the right side, starting from the ones place value. Under ones, we put 0. Under tens, we put 7. Under hundreds, we put 2. Then under 1,000, we put 3. Under 10,000s, we put 9. Then under 100,000s, we put 4. Then here, we also have a digit that is under millions. Under 1 million, you also put 1 under 1 million. So as we have said, when we are to read and write, we read and write from each period separately. Read and write each period separately. And we always start with the biggest place value, which is millions here. And which number do we have under millions? That is 1, 1, 1. And when we put the place value, it becomes 1 million. Remember not to put S, 1 million. Then under thousands, we have 493. 493 can be read as 493. 493. Remember the place value, 1,000. 493,000. 493,000. Then under units, we have 270. 270. 270. And that number, we can read it as 270. 270. There we know we don't put the word units. So that means the whole number, if we are to read it or to write it in words, it will be 1,493,270. Wow, a big clap to these people of Kayonza. They are so good. Wow. As we have seen all this, I think now you are very, 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 very aware of how we can read and write the numbers, the whole numbers in words. I think there we can have this. We try this activity together. It is all about matching. You will have to see the number, then you see what it matches with when it is written in words. So there are two columns. We have column A. Column A has got the numbers only, has got 4 numbers, as well as column B, those numbers are written in words. So you will have to see the number and you match it with the way it is written in words. So in column A, the first number is 5, 7, 8, 7, 4. 5, 7, 8, 7, 4. The second number in column A is 1, 9, 9, 0, 9, 9, 9. I repeat, 1, 9, 9, 0, 9, 9, 9. Still on the same column A, we have the third number as 6, 3, 4, 0, 0, 1. 6, 3, 4, 0, 0, 1. The last number under column A, we have 2, 4, 3, 1, 8, 5, 1. 2, 4, 3, 1, 8, 5, 1. That is column A, which has the numbers. Now we can go to column B, which has how these numbers are written in words. Listen carefully and you see how you will match. The first number under column B, it is 634,634,001. 634,001. 634,001. The second under column B, we have 2,531,851. 2,431,851. Then the third, we have 57,874. Then the last one is 1,991,994. 1,990,000, 1,990,999, 1,990,999. Wow, I think you will enjoy when matching this. Okay, wow, I think you have matched very well. But now you have been so good following, but now I want to see whether really you can really read and write these in words. So you will have to try this. It is an exercise, and it says, read and write the following numbers in words. Read and write the following numbers in words. That is number 1. And we have part A of it as 6, 0, 1, 2, 4. 6, 0, 1, 2, 4. That is part A. Part B, we have 2, 0, 2, 0. 2, 0, 2, 0. Part C, we have 1, 2, 0, 4, 8, 3, 6. 1, 2, 0, 4, 8, 3, 6. Part D, we have 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 9, 1, 3. 8, 9, 3, 9, 1, 3. Part E, we have 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, 2. Then the last F, we have 1, 7, 8, 2, 7, 9, 8. 1, 7, 8, 2, 4, 9, 8. That is number 1. Then number 2, I see it is some words. It is so wordy, so you will have to read carefully. Then you can work it out. And it says, Manzi saved 596,275 Rwandan francs in a bank. Write the amount he saved in words. Write the amount he saved in words. Wow, thank you very much, and I'm hoping to meet you again. Thank you.